Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I did my daughter's makeup for our deer costumes that we wore to a Halloween party. If you haven't watched my last video, I show you how I do my own makeup, and she had so much fun with this, so let's get started. She's never worn foundation, but I figured we could have a little bit of...
Can I go on my lips?
Yeah.
Yikes.
There you go. Go. Not too much, just a little bit to have some fun.
Can I try and clean it? I want to try and clean it. So only like on top? Okay.
You're such a cutie. I'm going to use the same palette that I used on myself, which is chocolate gold, and then rolling in dough, just to brighten up.
It feels so cool.
I've never used real makeup on her, only face paint, so this is a fun day.
And it's the weekend.
Yeah, we did Sally makeup on her a couple years ago, and I used, with the exception of her lips, I used all face paint. Going back to the Sephora highlighting palette. I'm going to use this bright white.
It feels so good.
To have your makeup done? Yeah. So now I'm going to use the same ish palette, the darker one.
I want pink.
You will. I'll give you pink, but I'm just going to do the face first.
Why do makeup artists do this whenever they put stuff right here? They go...
So they can see their cheekbones better. Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a closer look.
I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Now let's do the nose. Look in the mirror. Look in there.
In my mouth.
Okay.
I'm excited for the part where you do my nose.
A little bit of shimmer.
Is this what it's like to do makeup? Is it hard? Well, like when you start doing makeup,
Well,
is it
you
hard?
just kind of have to learn different tips and tricks and stuff like that. So.
It looks like I have lipstick on, but I actually don't.
So now we're gonna draw on some dots on you.
Can I see yours?
I need to sharpen the pencil though because I made it quite flat.
You can sharpen makeup pencil?
Yeah.
This is so cool. It's like I have a virus. The polka dot virus.
Chicken pox.
Yeah, chicken pox. I forgot that name.
All right.
I'm starting to look like a deer now.
Let me see. Close your eyes. Not too hard. Just relax your face.
I have quite a change now.
Close. Ooh, fancy.
have changed a lot. I used to be just, no, but now I'm,
Okay.
Is that shimmer?
Putting some highlight on her cheekbones. Now let's finish the nose.
The nose.
Mommy has the full deer nose, but little baby doe is gonna have a little heart on her nose. For little ones, I would just rather not do mascara. So face paint, close your eyes, or eyeshadow with a really thin brush. You're a little too close to the camera. Oops. All right, so everything looks good. I really love the heart on her nose. It's just so cute, and the shimmer on her face looks perfect. And I used face paint on her upper lip because I know she's not allergic to it or else she would break out all over. So I used just face paint on the top lip right there. So now we're gonna do her hair. How do you want to do your hair? Do you want to do like mommy's?
Yeah. So the big fluffy thing and then
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I ended up doing the rest of her hair off camera, but I have some really great photos to share that we took before we went to our party. And I'm going to be posting my headband tutorial for this deer costume up next, so stay tuned. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Happy Halloween!